Hello guys, today we're going to review itong brief review lang for Antutu benchmark for Samsung Galaxy Flip 6. Though today we do have now the updated Flip 7, but though this is more comparable pa rin pagdating sa kanyang performance. It's a very slim with aluminum armor. So maganda pa rin ang build ng Flip 6. Ang lamang lang ng Flip 7 is yung cover screen niya, no? May cover screen niya sa labas is medyo malaki na, in-expand na. While itong Flip 6 is still the predecessor model was the same with the Flip 5. But though this is more capable than Flip 5, of course, because this is powered by the third to the latest, no, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And it has upgraded RAM, which is 12 gigs of RAM. So maganda pa rin ang processor niya and GPU. And we're going to tackle yung kanyang Antutu benchmark. So this is updated One UI 8 na. So dito muna tayo sa graphics department niya, no? Tingnan natin kung gaano kalakas pa rin si Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Interesting. Okay, smooth ang rendering. Makikita nyo, smooth pa rin yung kanyang rendering pagdating sa 3D. Okay, so far so good. Nakasan natin ang volume. So while we review the GPU, we're going to do some audio test na rin. So far, tingnan natin kung gaano kalakas, no? So meron siyang single firing stereo speaker dito sa baba. So very solid pa rin yung kanyang sound, malupit pa rin. Ganda ng Antutu nyo, walang lag, so smooth. So magaling pa rin talaga yung pa-process ng kanyang GPU. Ayan, oh, yung rendering niya. So right now what is happening is pinaprocess niya yung bawat frames na nirelease ng video or nung graphic video. So nakikita natin. So worth it ba mag-upgrade from Flip 6 to Flip 7? Well, it depends. Right now in the market, in the gray market, nasa 20,000 to 30k na lang. Depende how smooth. Ito kasi like brand nyo ko to nabili. So makikita nyo naman talagang makinis pa siya. So this is a white silver variant, 256 gigs and 12 gigs of RAM. So nga pala mga Flip 6 dyan is only single SIM variant plus eSIM global. So this is an NTC approved unit. So nire-render niya yan yung mga frames ng graphics na na-process kanina. So another benchmark test. Tingnan natin. Okay. Medyo country sa yung sound ng Antutu ngayon, pero maganda. So far wala pang stutter. Okay, so far so good. Solid yung firing sound dito sa speaker niya. Hindi siya garalgal, ang ganda ng pagkaka-reproduce ng sound. Sobrang smooth ng kanyang pagkaka-graphics. Maganda talaga ang mga Snapdragon dito sa mga flagship flip device, no? Hindi tulad ng mga flip ng ibang brand like Motorola, and then yung mga Infinix na flip, nilalagyan lang nila ng MediaTek 7200 or 7000 series, which is kung di ka naman gamer, okay naman. Pero kung syempre kung magpi-flip na ka na, doon ka na sa Samsung kasi hindi nila tinitipid yung processor. Nagsimula 'di ba sa flip, lahat naman ng flip from flip 1 naka Snapdragon 8 series na. Flip 2 I think 865 yon. Yung flip 3 naka 888 Snapdragon 888, which is mainit na. Ngayon i-upgrade nila sa flip 4, naging Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or 8 Plus Gen 1, and then flip 5 naging 8 Gen 2, and then here comes the flip 6 natin, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and then yung latest ngayon na flip 7, of course 8 Elite na siya, Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite. So another graphics video test, graphics video processing. So 7 minutes na tayo nagtetest, no? Wala siyang stutter. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-process niya dito sa kanyang graphics, which is super capable talaga to sa mga daily tasks natin. So when it comes later, makikita natin yung kanyang test results din for the CPU processing, memory processing. Sa Antutu kasi inuuna talaga itong graphics, itong 3D graphics mark niya. So kung daily task lang, Facebook, YouTube, Messenger, messaging, call and text, wala kang magiging problema sa paggagamit ng Flip 6. Okay, so natapos niyang 3D mark test. Tinetest niya ngayon yung RAM bandwidth. So ito na yung RAM and ROM performance. Since tapos na ang GPU or graphic processing unit test, dito naman tayo sa memory test niya. So right now we're running 26% for the Antutu. So nasa Antutu ba ang basehan natin pag daily usage? This is a 50% half the story, but it will still count kasi dito naman talaga ini-stress test. May mga benchmark, graphic benchmark, memory. So overall, dito ang performance ng phone, malalaman kung gaano katalaga magaling or maganda yung performance ng phone. Even sa mga iPhones, yun naman din ang ginagamit. So Z Flip 6. So let's see. So this will take around a few minutes.
Hindi kayo dyan. Ha?
Okay. Tayin natin matapos. So ROM and multi-AI. So AI na kasi to, powered by Android, updated Android 15 One UI 8.0. Okay, tapos na memory test. So CPU na ang kanyang pinaprocess ngayon. So sa gray market, around 25k makakabili ka na ng Flip 6. which is a great deal since same naman to ng processor ng S24 Ultra. When it comes to the camera, malinaw rin naman. Actually, it can record 60 fps for 4K, which is kung magpa-vlog ka, mga YouTube vlogs, pwede. OpenCV, comprehensive evaluate performance of CPU through arithmetic operation. Okay. Multi-threading. So we're at 50% status. Kanyang performance test. Ayan. So yung mga dot na yan, mga smudges lang yan. Pero makinis pa rin siya. Merong isang updated version yung Flip 7 FE, which is much lower. Kung compare mo to sa FE ng Flip 7, halos parehas lang sila. Pero mas maganda pa rin kung i-compare ang Flip 6. Kung yung Flip 7 FE lang din yung you're trying to buy. Okay, 58% UI lag. So ito makikita yung kanyang UI or user interface performance, how smooth pa-process niya. So it's Chinese kasi ang Antutu benchmark is made yata na, not sure ha, pero it was made by Chinese people. Kaya Chinese yung kanyang pinapakita na parang UI. Okay. So web view reading, dito naman is kung paano siya mag-perform sa web browsing. Okay, so far so good, so smooth. Processing or editing sa video, cover din yan ng test ng Antutu. Okay, QR code test, so kasama na rin siya sa test, processing kung paano, how to read the QR code or mag-process. So gaano niya kabilis na recognize ang isang QR code. So nasa hash checksum. So comprehensively evaluate performance of the device through data security, data and image and video processing. So dito si hash checksum. So lapit-lapit na. So this is as dated as October 2 to 2025. We're doing the benchmark test for the C Flip 6 powered by an Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. So for Galaxy siya kasi parang it's like ino-overclock ni Samsung ang version ng Snapdragon chipset. So flagship niya siya, tas ina-upgrade pa siya, tinataasan yung kanyang performance, like yung frequency, the later time makikita rin natin yung kanyang temperature, stability, performance after this Antutu. with my take sa experience naman, no, Mobile Legends, Genshin Impact, kayang-kaya na Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 dito sa Flip 6. Sa Mobile Legends kaya niyang 120Hz ultra settings. So PDF processing. When it comes to Genshin AAA games, 60 FPS kaya rin niya. Though mag-iinit yung chipset nyo rito since wala pang masyadong thermal paste or thermal plate si Flip 6. So we are now word processing. Evaluate performance device through data security. So kasama siya sa word processing. Mark at 74%. Okay, we're almost done. Let's see what's the score. So what's your hunch or hula, guys, kung ilan to? Check nyo sa comment. Like range 1 million pataas. Since Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 to, I would expect that will come up to 1 million range or 1.2 M. Okay, 76%. We're Excel processing still. Okay, alright. So JPEG decoding, decode ng mga JPEG image, kasama siya sa UX. So it's been 17 minutes, so ang Antutu benchmark will run like 20 minutes. So we're at 78% in 17:34 seconds. Okay. Saan pa rin tayo? JPEG decoding to 80% mark. With the experience naman sa handling ng Flip 6, since rounded corner siya, maganda naman siya hawakan sa kamay. Yung Flip 7 yata medyo squarish na. PNG decoding. PNG is much higher quality than JPEG. Medyo matatagalan pa yata to. Okay. With the crease mark naman, yung crease mark niya sa gitna, no? So yung crease niya hindi na masyadong halata. Makikita niyo diyan. Talk about physical appearance ng Flip. Hindi naman siya masyadong compared to Flip 7. So parang parehas lang. Ayun yung crease niya sa reflection, you can see. Pag hinahawakan mo yan, hindi naman siya noticeable. Ganda na ng hinge ng Flip 6. Okay, 19 minutes, 84%. So we're at 46 battery. So this is equipped 4000 milliamperes Li-ion battery. I think it started at 55% when we started the benchmark. So 46%, which is pretty good kasi ini-exhaust niya yung kanyang performance. Battery talaga di-drain niya, pero hindi naman masyadong na-drain yung battery niya, so it's still 46. Okay, pinaprocess niya ang fisheye decoding, image processing blur. Okay, so this is 4K, so this is what I'm talking about, able to play 4K video. Oh, here we go, 4K 30 frames I think itong pinapakita. 4K decoding. Yeah, 30 frames, which is not bad. So kino-convert niya sa ibang format. So 30 frames pa rin. ,4K editing. Here we go. So lumagpas pa, no? So nasa 1.7 million ang kanyang score. Ito yung breakdown. So 466,000 sa GPU is good. Kayang-kaya niya ng AAA games. Actually 300,000 pataas pa nga dati. Kaya ng AAA games. So pag tumaas na ng 400 to 500k, kayang-kaya niya ng mga 3D games. So ayan, 1.7M ang kanyang Antutu score. Alright, thank you for watching guys. I wish you have a great one. Goodbye.